Hey y'all, so I am here to set up for a birthday party. It's a 50th birthday. It's for one of my really good friends, and she has
like no idea whatsoever.
I'm doing a vlog day today, and I'm going to show you guys like behind the scenes on how I set up for events. And by the way, this is my hoodie I have on today. So represent my boy, Bisky. So this is his hoodie. It says sauce.
My Haitian stuff I say.
Y'all already know what's up. Anyways, all right, let me stop talking. If you would like to see how I created this garland from start to finish, leave a comment below to let me know if you're interested. Okay, so I have two 8-foot tables here, and the tablecloth that I have does not fit those tables. So I had to go over to Party City and I purchased these table covers. They're for 6-foot tables, but I got 4 of them. And then I also purchased 2 table skirts, and I'm going to share with you guys how you can use 6-foot tablecloths to cover an 8-foot table. So as you can see here, I placed 2 of the 6-foot tablecloths on each 8-foot table. I folded it over because you can see the white stitching on the edge, so I didn't want that to be shown, so I folded that over, and I did the same thing for the other table. And so next I'm going to go ahead and add the table skirt. So this is a nice little hack that if you guys have a large table that you need to cover and you don't have the right size, just double up on 2 6-foot tablecloths and use a table skirt.